I purchased one of these little monopod TV stands off of Amazon. It just arrived. This is a Hemudu brand. I think that's how you say it. So I'm going to see what's in here and see about putting this thing together. It was shipped via USPS, and the package came just like this. No other wrapping. It looks like it's in good shape. So let's open it up and see what we got here. All right, there's our instructions for assembly. All this styrofoam packing. Everything's fit nice and tightly in here. That's good. It's going to have a shelf on it for my little sound bar. Looks like parts to the upright. Yeah, everything looks like it's in good shape there. Here's all the hardware. Oh, look at that. All individually packed and labeled. Here's like an end cap. I guess I'll probably need that. This must be the TV mount. Yeah, that's what that is. Okay. Well, this all looks pretty good. And what's under here? Oh, here's the base. It's like a glass surface, gloss glass surface. All right. Everything looks to be in good shape, so the shipping was fine. That's great. Looks like it all goes together using one wrench and an Allen wrench. And apparently it came in the package. It says H. H, there we go. So our wrench and Allen wrench are in H. Great. Oh, this is going to be a snap. This is going to work great. I'm going to put together just in the order they say here. So the first thing they say to do is from package C to attach these rubber feet to the base. They just stick on. About like that. Okay, step one is done. That lines up with the holes perfectly. Got to get it going the right way. Goes in here. In go the threaded studs. Okay. Turn that around so you can see that. It's kind of nice. These are knurled knobs, so they're easy to turn. And then there's a socket in the center for the wrench to go in. They go through this way. Just like that. All right. Attach our upper section here. I'm going to put this in the lowest position. Now this is going to hook in to those slots, it looks like. So I want the hooks facing the right way, facing downward. And I gotta find which holes line up with my mount on the TV. I've got 75 millimeter spacing on there. This entire bag of hardware is just so you have something that fits your TV. They give you washers, spacers, large diameter bolts, small diameter. Okay, that was easy enough. This shouldn't be too hard to do. That's it, it hooks right in there. That's simple. Nice. And then this locks it in place. Now these Velcro strips here are pretty nice because they allow me to route the cord down the back of the post where you're not going to see it. So this is what the finished setup looks like. The cables go nicely down the back with those little Velcro tabs they provide. There's all kinds of adjustment for tilt and swivel on here. It's nice and stable, sits flat on the floor, and it looks good. It's clean, it's modern. I like it.